Hi friends, my name is Amy Contreras and I'm the founder of Mindfulness Asia. I'm really excited to be with you for our free mindfulness workshop. I promise that you're not going to regret coming. So bring all of your friends and all of your family, because this workshop is going to give you tools and techniques that you can use in your daily life that will help to calm and ease your mind and open your heart, as well as give you some more aliveness in your body. This mindfulness practice has helped transform my life in such profound ways, and this is the reason why I aspire and make it my life's work to teach it and bring it to everybody, regardless of where you come from and who you are. This past year has been difficult for many of us. I want you to know that you're not alone. Meditating together gives us the opportunity to hold space and support one another. Even when we don't speak a word, knowing that people are there holding us and experiencing the same thing already helps to uplift our spirits. Now, we're going to be learning how to tap into our inner resources. So regardless of what's going on outside of us, we'll be able to gain some balance, some peace, and harmony within our lives. In this short but sweet workshop, you'll learn some breathing techniques and also the ways that we can show up and communicate with deep listening and presence for those whom we love and also for ourselves. There's such amazing transformations, I swear, that you will find from just a very short workshop, let alone when you incorporate and cultivate this practice on a more daily basis. Many of the students that have done these practices with me have just within 30 minutes, 1 hour, have noticed how quickly it helps them to relax and also open their minds and their hearts. I promise you too will have that opportunity when you come to the workshop. You're going to receive so many different tools in your toolkit that will help you even in just that 1 hour. Okay, and there's going to be so much that you're going to gain from it. Maybe you'll meet new friends too. Meanwhile, I also would love it if you could bring as many people as you can so that they too can benefit from the mindfulness practice and the teachings. So what are the benefits again? Peace of mind and open heart and a stronger body and an overall sense of well-being. I hope that our time together during that free mindfulness workshop is going to be just a beginning of a wonderful and fruitful journey together. So I can't wait to see you. Please take good care of yourself, stay healthy, and I will see you in the Zoom room